Y'all set up?
What?
Y'all set up?
Close. No heat yet.
Well, there's not a lot of people out here.
I see there's people across here.
What's our ice depth here, Chris? That's looking like 12 to 13. Maybe?
Probably pretty close. With ice depth, yeah.
Which you could almost drive your Highlander out here, right? I wouldn't drive my truck out here, but
Yeah, you probably could.
the wire is skipping.
We got 4 here.
Alright, show us on your little app here where we're at.
We are Arrow.
Yeah, so this is we used to come here as kids. That's the old sunken island, right?
Yep.
That's where we would just slaughter the crappies. But in the winter we need to go deep. So there's pretty much this little
pocket.
pocket, which is nice because it's pretty close to the boat launch.
Mm-hmm.
Sweet. Well, pretty much you're gonna just tell me what to use because
Oh no,
it's been a long time since I've fished for crappies.
But there's so many stuff here like I haven't even tried yet.
Oh, really?
I get kind of like, oh, let's buy that. Let's buy that.
I mean, to me, starting off with minnows is kind of a good way to go, right?
Yeah, it would be good to have one of us fish a minnow, and one of us not, and then we can keep trying and see what's working, what's not.
Just to let you know, I do have extremely high expectations. Like, if we don't catch 24 fish today, I'll be disappointed.
Here's my expectations for fishing every time I go. Catch a fish. Catch a bigger fish than the first one. Until I get a limit to fish. And then I'm happy just going to bigger.
There you go.
So like, just to get one off through the ice, that's a win. There, that's you down at the bottom. Right here.
So I'm right on the bottom right
Yep.
now. So I kind of want to like just jig it off, bring it up. And
You want to bring it, so that's 11 feet. So if you can get it 6.
Okay, now it's starting to make sense.
And if you pull it up and all of a sudden something comes with it, that means there's a fish down there. You know, and sometimes you want to come up higher to kind of see if something's going to come with it. You can always let it back down.
Whoa!
First fish.
She's a monster. Wait, a little baby perch.
Yeah.
Come here, little perch.
He's a big one. That first
Oh
fish.
yeah, what do you say? That's about a 5-incher?
Yeah.
All right, fish on the board though.
Fish on the board.
All right, nice.
Where's that bluegill?
Hard to say.
I'm just staring it off.
Why? Don't stare at your food, just eat it. There you go.
It's bluegill.
Oh my gosh, now you're gonna lick it, taste it? Oh, just eat it.
Missed it. There you go. Oh.
That's an eater. Right?
Yeah.
Alright. He looks so big on camera.
I know.
I mean, it's a decent size, but... Alright.
Bite our lure.
Yeah, why would you not do that, fish? Oh, those sounds. Yeah, this is freaky. Oh, that's a good size.
Tell me when you want to keep them.
Yeah, let's save that guy. Let's save that guy for supper.
Okay.
Oh, it's got a sight. And a line. Got your camera line. Alright, come here. Nice little guy. Oh, and you didn't even eat my worm. Alright, we're on the board again.
Nice one.
Alright, now I want a crappie. I want to eat in crappie. That guy was almost big enough to
That
eat.
one was pretty close to eatable. You already got perch coming up to check your ear.
Okay, our one and only crappie of the day.
It's a crappie, but it's a crappie.
That's all right.
Crappie's a crappie.
It was still a good day. What did we get? About 12?
Yeah,
12 total?
Fish, yeah.
All right, that's a good day. I think we're going to call it.